Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get cinematic look videos by only using these two filters on CapCut. So I found this two combination and it might be work on your video too, and here is the filter. The first one is, okay, so I'm going to just go to filter, find the movies category. Okay, the first one is the Nenor filter. Okay, set it to around 90. Click on the check icon. Now for the second filter, click on filter again, still on the movies category, find the freedom filter. Okay, this one, and adjust it to around 60. Okay, so here is the result. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.